Hello friends, welcome to Codes Laboratory. So in this session we will be discussing another program related to array. So the question is, find the largest and smallest integer number in an array. Okay, so first, as you can see, I have created one class called array number. After that I have created one main method inside of this class. So first I have created one array of integer type in which I have randomly placed some numbers. As you can see, we can place some more number like 101, like 4 508, and our task will be to find what is the largest number we are having in this array and what is the lowest number, smallest number we are having in this array. So first, what I've done, I have initialized one variable called value with the zeroth indexing of this array. As you can see, the 54 is placed on the zeroth index. So after that, what I have done, I have created one for loop. In that I have created one integer I and initialized it with 0, so that I'll be able to access this array on the basis of indexing from 0th value to last value, and this loop will keep on going till the length of this array, and at the end I plus plus. Okay, so in that I have checked if the value is less than array of I, it means it will check like if the 54 is lesser than 87, yes, the condition is true, then what it will do, the value will get initialized with the 87. So in this way we will be able to find the maximum value. So to find the smallest value, what we have done, we have applied the same for loop. So in that we have used the if condition, and now what we have done, we have compared it, like if the value present in value variable is greater than the value present at ith index. If the condition is true, so the value will be initialized with the value which is lesser than the value. So in this way what it will do, it will identify and it will compare each of the element or each of the integer value with the next value, and whatever the smallest value will be present in this, ultimately this variable will be initialized with that. So let's just try to execute this code and let's see what it returns us. Okay, so as you can see, the largest value present in our array is 110 and the smallest value is 2. Okay, so in this way you can find out like the largest value and the smallest value present in your array. So for this session, this was all. I hope you must have liked this video. So stay tuned and happy learning.